In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cross out on Docusign. We'll be navigating through the Docusign interface to ensure each step is clear and actionable. First, make your way to the Docusign website. This platform is the leader in electronic signatures and agreement management, so you're definitely in the right place for digital document management. Once you've arrived at the main page, your next step is to click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you need to enter your credentials. If this is your first time, make sure you have your user ID and password ready to go. Logging in will provide access to the full range of Docusign tools and features. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Docusign home. Here you'll find your dashboard, which is essentially your command center for managing documents, templates, and more. Now head over to the templates section and select the template you wish to modify. This is important because using a template streamlines your workflow and ensures consistency across your documents. Once your template is selected, you're going to need to add some details. This usually means filling in any specific information that pertains to this particular document or transaction. It could involve typing in names, addresses, or any custom information that distinguishes this document from others. When you're satisfied with the details you've entered, click on the Next button. Doing so will move you forward in the process and ensure your updates are ready for further modification or sharing. It's important to take a moment here to review what you've done so far and confirm everything is set up as intended before proceeding. Moving forward, you'll find a menu that includes standard fields. Click on this to access a range of document tools that are pivotal for customization. If you're looking to add specific fields like signatures or initials, this is where it all happens. But today we're focused on crossing things out. The next feature you'll want to explore is the pre-fill tools. These are designed to allow you to make preliminary changes before the document is sent out for signing. By accessing these tools, you'll have the flexibility to adjust and configure document settings to meet your needs. Finally, click on Line. This tool will enable you to draw lines on your document, which is perfect for crossing out text that is either outdated or irrelevant. Drag the line across the text you wish to strike through and you're done. By following these steps, you now know how to effectively use Docusign to cross out items on a document. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it enhances your use of Docusign. Thanks for watching and happy document editing.